Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I've been married 54 years. And many years ago, we had a little house in the Catskill Mountains. I was doing a lot of skiing, and Gloria too. In fact, that's how we met. We bought that whole farmhouse that we kind of redid ourselves. One thing that we started doing, we invited friends at home, and when we cooked, not every day, but occasionally when we cooked with friends, we started recording the menu. This was actually our first book. I said at the beginning, this was Christmas 1970. So that's quite a number of years ago with terrine of rabbit, oysters, white boudin. So that's it. That was a great a great habit, and we continue. This was actually 1971, it was the marriage of a friend of us. So all the guests are signing on that page, and the menu is here. Another menu that I saw here was in February 1972, and this is Claudine, our daughter. She signed Claudine in big here, she did the painting. So she was about 4 years old, 4 or 5 years old, and we continue those traditions. So our whole life is kind of mixed into those books. We actually have 12 of those books going back, recording birthday, holiday, too. And we look at beautiful painting of flowers with the guests here, with the menu here. We had, we had woodcock and risotto here. Great wine, a Saint-Emilion, so forth. This is the last one, actually, that we are using now. And I can see that it started in 2016. Basically, those books last about 5 years. As I said, we don't record everything we eat, but just occasionally. So here we had nice menu going back to those last 5 years. And I wanted to show you how to do the menu the way I do it. Sometimes I do a drawing, and then after I write the menu inside. Sometimes I write the menu and then come and do the drawing after. Here is our empty page here. I think I'm going to start with the drawing. And I have those daffodils from the garden, so it's a bit of an inspiration. I use acrylic painting, but I dilute it with a great deal of water, so it's like watercolor. Maybe I'll do an outside. Yeah, okay, so I'm framing the menu here. Well, I will continue later. And then I have of course, my daffodil here. So I'll start by putting, just very rough here, putting the shape of a daffodil here. Leaves here. Sometimes I like to eyeline this. That's the beauty of it. You can do whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. Of course, on this side, maybe I'll put a big heart. This is the guest. And now I write the menu. So sometimes I write the menu with pencil so that I can arrange it, especially if I have a lot of dishes. And after that, I rewrite on top, with ink like this. I'm putting the wine now. We have a champagne here. And I usually put that in another color. And this is my menu. And that's how we create and record memory for us, for later, and for the children.